Hey everyone, I am Christine San Jules. I am a community leader, an activist, an advocate for immigrant rights. I'm out here today because we have to do everything. We have to show up and protest. We have to write our elected officials. We have to literally come out here and fight for our migrants. It's going to take everything and all of us until they take us seriously that we are not backing down. To all of our migrants that feel like they're trapped in these cages and there is nobody fighting for them, we are fighting for you. You are not alone in this, and we don't want you to give up because we're not giving up on you. So I am leading a group of Haitian advocates that are fighting for our migrants right now. You can find us at, we don't really have a spot, but you can follow me at Christine4FL on Instagram, at Christine, CHRISTINEFORFL, and we can give you all the information that you need for our upcoming town halls. We are doing Know Your Rights trainings, we are doing Know Your Options trainings, so please follow me and I will give you all the information you need. Thank you.